Good morning, everybody, or good evening. I don't know what time you're gonna see this, but I hope you're having a good day. Anyway, we're out here in League City doing another lawn top dressing, but I want to show you something today. We're switching up our game a little bit. Today, we are using bedmix instead of our regular topsoil mix. Still really crumbly, still breaks up real easy. This stuff is not too clumpy. I like this. There's a lot more organic matter in it. There's a little bit higher compost content in this mix, so it does add more of an impact to your good biology and helping loosen up your soil essentially by adding that organic matter. And also a difference for today is going to be, we cheated, okay? We cheated. Use Microlife Hybrid. It's a 2005, but you know I want to give y'all the best results. And sometimes we got to give it a good little jump start, good little kick. And Microlife Hybrid, it's considered what's called a synthetic organic. Things to do with carbon covalent bonds, and still has to interact with biology. It's still loaded with tons of humates, still loaded with a good biological package that's in the rest of like the humates plus and the 624 and the ultimate. So if you're gonna start on some gardening projects, Microlife is just hands down the best. If y'all ever heard of inoculating your soil with microrhizae, Microlife has a ton of it, plus other good bacteria and fungi that help along with the process, because mycorrhizae is just one little part of it, big part of it really, but one part. And so, then of course we're going to do our molasses, right? 1 cubic yard. It's still all about feeding the soil. When it comes to any other products out there, still don't recommend it. Okay, this hybrid is a whole different beast compared to your regular turf builders, definitely your weed and feeds, anything like that. It does have the fertilizer numbers. I know I've said before, I'm not really a big, I'm not too big on fertilizer numbers and ratios, but at 2005, for our southern lawns, you do get such a strong kick that will make a difference, that will help with that transition from conventional fertilizing with your regular brand turf builder to switch over to the organics, so that you still get the results that you expect to see, but you get much more long-term results, and you're still supporting soil biology, and you're still making a much more positive impact on our environment. And it does adhere to at least my one rule. I won't eat this product. Then again, there's a few Microlife things that I don't want to eat anyway, like Ocean Harvest. That's disgusting, right? But I will still touch this product. I know that touching Microlife Hybrid is not going to impact me. So I'm using it. Try and give this lawn a good jump start. We have some thin spots over here, and within as little as 4 weeks, we expect to see them filled in drastically. Maybe not 100%, but I'm going for like 80% would be even something to make all of us very happy. Anyway, thank you for watching Hippie Fertilizing. Go organic, support soil biology, and remember, nobody knows grass like a hippie. Peace.